What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Farming and Friends. In this last episode, if you missed it, go back and watch that. But last episode, we planted corn. We started our little farm here. We sold some crops. And now we have 164 coins. So let's go ahead and harvest this corn. And we'll go ahead and sell this. And make some good money. Make sure you guys like and subscribe so you don't miss more videos. It really helps when you guys do that. So please go down in the link, not the link below, but you know what I mean. Go subscribe. Anyway, so let's get... Not that. Wrong thing. Okay. Let's put all of our wheat in, or not wheat, corn in there. Let's go ahead and go sell it. I think it's this way. That's probably the fastest because the sell point's right here. I think that's corn that I see. Cool, corn's green, so let's sell it. 525 coins. Alright, let's see how much some new equipment is so we can have like a goal to maybe set for some new equipment. So the first, so my tractor's 1,500, right? The next one after this is 4,500 coins. So we're going to have to work our way up there. But for now, let's go see what we can buy in the store. Looks like we can't afford any new crops yet. It looks like it's $2,000 for that. But we're going to make some profit. So let's get this. And let's head back to our farm. Oh, my farm's all the way over there. Oopsies. Okay. Just gonna have to drive all the way over there. If there's any other games on Roblox or any other games you want to see in general, leave a comment down below and I'll check out if I can play them for you guys. That's a cool guy's farm. Pretty cool. So yeah, we have a starter truck, we got a nice trailer, so let's pull into our farm here. Let's, I think, yeah, I'm gonna respawn them. So let's get this on here. To start the quest for that, we need 3,000 coins to start the animals, which in my opinion the animals are really cool to do. You can do chickens, you can do cows, you can do sheep, and and you can do bees too. So let me do that. Let's get that. Let's do this. So, I honestly, I think I gotta harvest like 2 more, and I can get another field, and we can harvest double the crops and get double the money, which is gonna be really fun. We're gonna get a bigger field too. Not bigger, but like double the field. Alright. Let's leave that there. Let's get in our cedar. Let's plant some corn. I believe the current highest crop is potatoes. But that's why there's more like eggs and milk and chocolate milk. Chocolate milk is, like I said, I think in the last video, one of my favorite things to do. So let me wait for that. And while we wait for that, let's explore right here. I don't know if it gives us, like after I press start quest, I don't know if it gives me this stuff or what, but because it's been a long time since I've started out from the very beginning in Farming and Friends. So like before, like this wasn't even here. Like it used to give you like a starter shed, and you didn't have 2 fields. Like you had to build onto your field. It was really, really fun. But they changed it a lot since then. So now you just have a little dirt patch, and you can start a quest and all that fun stuff. So that'll be fun. But until then, oh yeah, I don't want to make it rain. We might make it rain like a lot later just to make the crops grow faster, but come on. Almost there. You got this. Almost there. Any day now. Any day now. Any day now. Little more. You got this, buddy. You got this. Okay, bro. What was that? Oh, almost. Right there. Right there. A little more. Right there. Okay, by the time I get in this and yeah, okay. Alright, let's harvest some more of this stuff. Go sell it, and I believe I'll just cut, and then by the time I plant some more, because I don't want to bore y'all with just planting corn and stuff, so I'm going to cut the video until I made up until we can afford the next seed, and then we'll get the next seed planted, and we'll plow our fields and all that fun stuff. So give me 1 second. I think I only need to plant like a few more times, like maybe 1 or 2, but I don't want to bore y'all with that, so I'm going to go ahead and cut after I sell this and get back to my farm. I'll cut until I have enough money for the next seed. We'll plant the next seed, and then in the next video, we'll do that seed and hopefully get enough money to be able to start maybe some animals, or maybe do 2 fields at once. I don't know yet. But until then, like rice is super high right now. So that's not what's next. What's next is oat, which is cool. Back when I first started, oat wasn't a thing yet. And cocoa wasn't under crops, I don't think. But yeah, or tomatoes wasn't here either. Tomatoes or oat was not here. It was just rice, sugarcane, cabbage, carrot, potato. Like it was, the other stuff wasn't added yet. So it's gonna be really cool progressing through all that stuff, because I've never really done anything like that. You do need, I think it's just for potatoes, but you do need specific equipment for potatoes. So yeah, we're gonna have to get all that stuff. But alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut until I am ready to plant the new seed. I'll see you guys. Okay guys, so I decided to go a little bit over, but I just finished selling the last little batch of seeds. So we were just on corn, but what I didn't realize was it's only 200 coins more to get rice. So since rice is so high right now, I am going to... Oh, I tried stealing the rice. I'm going to buy this rice, and I'm going to go back to my farm. We're going to plant the rice, and then in the next video, we're going to do the rice surge and sell our rice. And what will happen with that is that it'll be super high, and we'll get a lot more coins out of it, and we'll probably be able to get more seeds and maybe start the animal quest. So guys, let me come over here and plant this real quick. And after I plant this, we're going to end it off there. And on the next video, we will harvest our rice and hopefully start animals. So let me get this in there. Oh. Okay. I accidentally closed the tab. It's okay. There we go. Alright. So let's plant this stuff. Whoa, rice looks interesting. Never seen rice in this game before, but that's cool. Alright, guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and stay awesome. Peace out.